Welcome everyone on this geopolitical channel. So we are continuing to follow up the latest developments on the northern east front. So the Turkish military operation right now is focusing on both cities, Tal Abyad and Ras Al Ain. Both cities are on the border between Syria and Turkey. So as we predicted in previous video, we see that we are talking about a very limited operation from a territorial point of view. Just the Turkish military right now would like to drive away those SDF forces from the border. So as we see, the Turkish are trying really to meet the commitment that they have taken towards American, meaning that this operation would take place along 480 kilometers long, the Turkish border, and 30 kilometers deep. In that way, they would avoid any incidents with American soldiers, which has been redeployed further than those 30 kilometers. The city of Manbij, where most American military lies, is at 35 kilometers deep, so beyond this safe zone that Turkey is trying to set up right now. But also we have to say that this Turkish military operation are causing also some humanitarian effects. We are reporting that 64,000 people are living right now, fleeing this area around Tal Abyad and Ras Al Ain. According to latest information that we have, both cities are deserted right now due to the risk of airstrikes. The Turkish authority are giving some death toll, which they are talking about 277 combatant fighters from SDF which have been killed. We are unable right now to confirm or unconfirm those information due to the lack of independent sources. Also, what we know that those SDF forces have retaliated against the Turkish army by sending some rockets, missiles against the Turkish territory, causing also deaths on Turkish territory. 6 people have been killed yesterday, among them a 6 months baby called Mohammed Omar, which was a Syrian refugee. So we see both sides, they are affected by this offensive from the Turkish military, which today is the 3rd day. So what we see basically, just to summarize, limited operation on the border on both cities, Ras Al Ain and Tal Abyad, with retaliation from SDF. So we will continue following up those developments on the Syrian front on this channel over the next hours and over the next days.